Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well and had a fantastic day because we do have some more news for SHIB. Now, this is some really good news that I have been waiting for a while. You could actually buy SHIB with crypto. Basically, you could buy a house with cryptocurrencies and Shiba Inu. So buying a house with SHIB isn't too far-fetched, and this is another stage of a massive adoption. You know, we have been listed on so many exchanges, and if you want up to $2,300 free in Webull stocks, in buying Shiba Inu, while buying Shiba Inu, just click on the link description and comments below. This is really awesome, and you can get your 2 free stocks that are up to $2,300. Like, even for a $5 deposit, even for a $1 deposit, that's a pretty good thing to have, because then you have 2 free stocks. Now, what we shall see, US second largest mortgage lender will now accept cryptocurrency. That's like really awesome. Will they accept SHIB? Now, just a couple of months ago, Jerome Powell, in the chair of Federal Reserve, emphatically declared that the cryptocurrency has failed to be useful in every transactions. But Jerome is, kind of mistaken here. While this might be true for today, that cryptocurrency is not used as much as it should be, it's definitely used a lot more than it was 2 years ago. It's definitely used a lot more than it was in 2009 when we paid, $650 million for a $20 pizza. But Powell's overconfident statements are blowing right back up in his face after the United States' second largest mortgage lender has announced that they will accept payment by Bitcoin. United States Wholesale Mortgage, in a press release, officially announced that they will accept Bitcoin payments for home loans. The move by United Wholesale Mortgage will financially silence the crypto naysayers who constantly argued you can't buy a house with cryptocurrency. But this is, in fact, incorrect. Will their stock recover from its minus 44% year-to-date loss when they start accepting Bitcoin? And United Wholesale Mortgage is the second largest U.S. mortgage lender. So maybe, they're trying to accept cryptocurrency here, as it might be the first mortgage lender to accept cryptocurrency. And this is huge, If they accept SHIB for mortgage lending, but obviously their stocks has fallen down a lot, and that's why we see that. But paying, in Bitcoin makes another value for Bitcoin by itself. So the Michigan-based mortgage company confirmed to CNBC that it's aiming to start accepting Bitcoin, and the process of evaluating Ether and other cryptocurrencies as well. As the other cryptocurrency Shiba Inu, it could be close, but the adoption in US is already happening very soon. And this means that with this adoption happening, this means we are going to be seeing more and more use cases for SHIB. Imagine if in the future you will receive free SHIB just for being a resident. Now, I do think other countries will start giving out free cryptocurrencies, or at least digital coins, as Missouri Major suggests giving residents up to 1K in Bitcoin. Like, that's simply crazy to be like, this is the next level adoption that we thought would never happen. And with Shiba Inu being one of the most trending coins in the US, you can bet that this is gonna very positively impact on Shiba Inu's price. As Bitcoin grows, Shiba Inu grows stronger and stronger. Now, the whales might be dumping the market, but I have seen the turtles, the smaller fish, the ones with not so many holders, actually buying in a lot. They have been buying in such big amounts, but the whales keep dumping, and I think that's due to the relief fund. Once that gets sold off, and I think this will get sold off in the next bull run, we could be seeing a massive catalyst for Shiba Inu. With the price spikes happening, I definitely do think there's still a lot more potential to go through. Shiba Inu being the second most trending coins, the third most talked about cryptocurrency coin right now. Shiba Inu coin may be on the rise. Here are the latest predictions. And Shiba Inu definitely far from over. I do think it will get started right now as it gets more updates in its phase 2, the development stages, and phase 3 is the financial stages where it keeps on growing. But whether a SHIB coin price predictions, one prediction from Investing Cube suggests that the coin will see another round of resistance when it reaches the value of basically almost hitting a zero. But the trend still points upward for the SHIB coin. So SHIB coin is gonna be growing and growing more and more. But SHIB coin currently has a high entry price for new investors, and there doesn't seem to be a massive movement for the coin right now. Maybe the future. Cryptocurrency is rising right now. Shiba Inu hasn't had such a strong rise recently. So cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have been rising, but not SHIB yet. And this is because we're waiting for the altcoin season, which has made it challenging for new investors to embrace the meme-based cryptocurrency. So meme currencies are always going to be on the rise, but I do think Tesla CEO Elon Musk will back it up once again, as he did, accidentally last time. According to Investor Place, the coin could use a boost from some social media hype. Specifically, Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who had previously braced Dogecoin, could drum up enough support if he were to mention the coin again, per Investor Place. A mention could have easily be enough to swing the prices of these digital assets double digits in a matter of days. So, he could pump up the prices by 10, 15, 20%. And we need to see Elon Musk support, as he's supporting Dogecoin. He'll probably be supporting Shiba Inu as well. Like it's the little brother. It's not destroying Dogecoin. It's not the Dogecoin killer anymore. And he definitely knows about Shiba Inu, as he has replied to a few Shiba Inu comments and a few Shiba Inu discussions we were having. But right now, seems like cryptocurrency is rising, but Shiba Inu is still waiting for the next bull run, as the relief fund needs to be sold off. And also, SEC fines BitConnect promoters $3.5 million, must hand over 190 Bitcoin. Like, that's really crazy. Justice really does come around. So definitely everyone not here in just like by a case, but scammers are getting punished. While working on creating all the Pixel SHIB NFTs, I'm also in the process of designing a SHIB NFT marketplace. We're getting closer and closer to the Shiba Inu incubator. The Shiba Inu incubator will be providing massive NFT burns. Someone made his own NFT collection, the SHIB Army collection, and that's really, really awesome. So, for example, he's selling unique NFTs that some of them have already sold for 0.35 Ethereum. And I really do love that. I really do love what's happening with the site right now. So you can see, is this what the next project is going to look like? I would love this, to be honest. Like, this looks really cool to me. For example, 300 million per one SHIB, and there's only one on the market. I'm guessing he will make more. But, there's going to be pixel art, music, animations, and the best ones are sold basically for $1,000 each. And, he definitely makes his profit off of this. He can live off this. And I do hope NFTs will provide further to a huge burn. So if we check over here, SHIB to the moon, and Shiba Inu is already putting out its space helmet, because when it gets to those final stages, that's when we're going to be seeing the bigger growth. When SHIB trades on Webull, will I be able to transfer my SHIB to crypto wallet on Webull? And I don't think Webull will actually hold the token. They will use a third party to hold the buyers, but you won't be able to transfer or stake them. I personally would never buy the token from broker, but I do think buying from Webull is safe and secure and also efficient. If you want, use a description down below. But also, we are winning battles on Bitforex left and right. So Shiba Inu definitely every single day rising by 1,000 members, more and more 1,000 holders each day. It might reach 1 million holders by the end of the year. But the most important factor is, like, Shiba Inu is going to be having a big plan burn until it reaches 1 cent. So right now, with a burn, we could be seeing massive updates. We have around 633,000 SHIB holders now, adding thousands of investors every day, which makes the community stronger each day. The Shiba Inu coin started its journey in the month of August 2020. Shiba Inu is a breed of hunting dog in Japan. Little did know it would be the topic of discussion. Even though it is new in the market, it has already taken over the Dogecoin markets. It is said that Shiba has been dubbed the Doge killer because, as per their white paper, it clears claims to outperform Dogecoin without crossing the $1 mark. So 1 cent is definitely possible from what I'm seeing so far. I won't be reading the whole article, but you could definitely make a lot of money still with SHIB. From the previous articles I read, we are still in those adoption stages, but the attention gained from the people in market has ensured that it gets noticed by other big names in the market. Shiba Inu is going to stable that even a recent massive hack of 260 billion tokens, which we discussed in the previous article, had no impact on the price surge of Shiba Inu. So it's basically right now, from what we are seeing, crypto companies and Shiba Inu is growing at a massive adoption rate. So unicorns in crypto, a growing herd of billion-dollar crypto companies. As Bitcoin garners more mainstream attention, crypto-centric startups are also scoring funds from VC firms to become crypto unicorns. So BlockFi, Bitpanda, Fireblocks, all of these are worth more than 1 billion, and they will be working with SHIB in the future. So I'm really excited for this one, as institutional capital is ready to dip toes in crypto. With every bust and boom cycle of Bitcoin, the crypto market will continue to grow, as market experts predicted unicorn herd is set to expand even further in 2021. Early birds and first movers in the cryptocurrency space are starting to reap their fortunes after years of toil through the many phases of crypto vitality. So we're finally seeing those stages where crypto is going to be growing. Nobody expected Shiba Inu to grow that much, and it's only a matter of time before we see that huge explosion. As more firms continue to reach unicorn status, evidence of the crypto markets moving slowly but surely into maturity, where a lot of people will use it, has become evident. There's a clear increase in the flow of institutional capital into the crypto space, and with that, it's only a matter of time before crypto goes mainstream. See what I'm saying here? We're not even mainstream yet. If you're holding SHIB, we're below 1 million holders, and I'm super excited for that. With below 1 million holders, we're going to be seeing a lot more improvements, as if they are giving money, like, that is a next level to me. Just going back here, you know, Shiba Inu is still being one of the most trending with social volumes, still being posted as much as Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's talked a lot about, and it will definitely be talked a lot about for the forthcoming time, as long as the developers keep doing the burns. This is definitely some great news, and from what I'm seeing, we are still in such early stages for cryptocurrency, and I'm really excited for when cryptocurrency explodes. As more firms continue to reach unicorn status, evidence of the crypto market moving slowly but surely into maturity has become evident. There's a clear increase in the flow of institutional capital in the crypto space. Institutions investing in faster and faster and faster than ever. So I'm really excited to talk about that. We're going to be seeing a lot more growth. Look at this. They have been pumping up the market, and they're going to be pumping up the market even more. For example, Tesla announcing a 1.5 billion Bitcoin purchase. Like, they have been only buying more and more, not even 50 million. Like, 50 million doesn't even make it on the news anymore. Right now, from what I can see, is we're going to be seeing some big growth with Visa, MasterCard coming in. All of these going to be supporting SHIB, and you can see US Federal Reserve's lowers rates to 0. Like, all of this stuff is really awesome. Now, definitely do leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, peace everyone.